what's up guys? Today I want to share with you this quick find from AliExpress. This is an USB to Lightning cable for your car to charge your phone. It's a spring cable, so it's elastic and it will not be in your way when you are not using it or when it's connected to your phone. I'm trying to get rid of those little annoying things that are in your way every day. So if you are charging your phone in your car, then you probably know the issue with the standard USB cable that's always in your way. When it's not connected, you have to hide it or put it in your footwell or somewhere around here near the gear knob, and it's very annoying. Then I used the different one, the spring one, but the spring was too long and it still was in the way. I managed to put it into the vent when I'm not using it, so it's not annoying me so much. But right now I found this one. This is the best USB cable that I could find. And as you can see, it connects without any problem. The distance is just right, and when you are not using it, you can just put it in the ashtray. And even though I'm trying to do it as messy as I can, it's still not in my way. And if you want to hide it, just disconnect it and you can put it in your armrest without any problem. Over here I have Lightning connector for Apple devices, but there are versions with micro USB and USB-C for Android and other phones. And if you want to buy one of those, check the link in the description below this video. There's a link to AliExpress, and give me a thumbs up if you liked this review. See you soon.